So I am Jonathan Sanchez. I don't know if I have to give my age on there, but I'm 23, and I work at Collision Solution up in Illinois, up in Zion.
Jonathan, how long have you been in the industry for?
I want to say now a year and a half. Bob talked to us about CC1, Repair Link, and how to write estimates, and a little bit here and there of like bagging and tagging and disassembly. So, but overall, it's been pretty amazing. Just giving my overall review of the classes and the help from Bob and Nick. So I want to say it's been great help. It's extra, it's extra information that I didn't know. So it's very helpful of them to go through all that stuff with us. And me and Jared had a lot of questions. So it's not like I can fully put that into day one and day two takeaways. So the hotel, the guy up at the front counter at the hotel was very nice. We had free lunch. The hotel was great. Overall, it was really good, really great.
Do you think that this training will make you more efficient and more money in the long run?
I do believe so. Overall, I feel like it'll benefit me and it'll benefit our shop. I'll come back as with some more information that I can give to the shop and maybe some tips and tricks here that we can use at the shop to help us benefit. I want to thank Hal for giving me the opportunity to come here and believing in me to come out here and to maybe learn something new and be just beneficial overall, and maybe improve my work, improve myself overall, and bring back some knowledge.